There are numerous platforms where you can leverage your expertise and earn money. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 websites where you can monetize your knowledge by answering to questions. Before we dive in, if you are my loyal viewer, welcome back to this channel, and if you're a newcomer, please do subscribe to this channel, and your support means the world to me as an African. The first platform is called Justanswer.com. This platform allows experts from various fields to answer users' questions. Depending on your expertise and the complexity of the questions, you can earn around $30 per answer. On the website, it says, if you're a qualified professional in one of our categories, you can earn money when you answer questions online. Set your own hours and work anytime, anywhere. So it doesn't matter where you are. You can be in Nigeria, you can be in Ghana, you can be in South Africa, or you can be in India. As long as you qualify, you're going to earn money. As you can see, it says, get paid to help people work anywhere, anytime, using a desktop or a smartphone. It says here that you have to apply online, then verify your credentials, and then start earning money. It is that simple. The next website to earn money as an African is called Start.askwonder.com, and on here you will conduct in-depth research to answer complex questions for clients. Payments typically range from $15 to $25 per research task, with an average monthly earning potential of $800. If you are into research, this is the one for you. The third website that will earn you money in Africa is called Photostudy.com. In this website, you are going to assist students with math and science homework. You can earn anywhere from $2 to $10 per hour. With dedication, you could earn up to $900 per month. You can work anywhere in the world as long as you have a laptop with an internet connection. You're going to spend 10 minutes at a time to help students with their homeworks. And this is how you are going to apply to become a photo study expert. Number 1 says connect with Facebook. You're going to apply with your Facebook account. Number 2 is 3 short videos. Number 3 is policy and subject tests. And lastly is start earning money. The fourth website to earn money is called yep.com. This website specializes in math tutoring. You're going to offer tuition of mathematics to students. The website offers hourly rates of up to $13 per hour with 80 hours of tutoring per month. So you could earn over $1,000 a month. So Yep tutors are current and former teachers and educators. So this opportunity is mainly for people who are teachers. You're going to help students around the world to get unstuck with their homeworks and gain confidence in mathematics. The last website to earn money is called Tutorbin.com. So this is also a tutoring website, but the difference between Yep and Tutorbin is that with Yep, it specializes in mathematics, while Tutorbin provides academic assistance to students. On this website, you are going to get paid weekly for approved answers. For example, solving a math problem could earn you $15, or solving a science question will also earn you around $15. With the dedication, you could earn up to $600 a month. The procedure to become part of Tutorbin is very simple. You need to register and get verified. You need to solve assignments and then get paid. It also says on the website that the benefits of working with Tutorbin is that you're going to get instant payment. You can work from anywhere and anytime, and also grow your knowledge as a tutor. So that's all for today. These are the 5 websites you can earn money by answering questions as an African. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button, and it will encourage me to make more videos like this for you guys.